from Language Academy, and I've got someone who is very special, very hardworking. He has put in the effort, and as a result he has got 8 each in his PTE exam, a great score, got 80 in listening, 85 in reading, 80 for writing and 79 speaking, 80 overall in PTE exam, very great achievement. And the very first thing I would like to start about Chirag is that he was very hardworking. Even when he used to work till 7 or 8 in the evening, he used to straight away come here and practice in the lab. He has literally practiced each and everything from the portal, and that has what has paid off today. A very great achievement. Congratulations, Chirag. Well done. We'll start off with listening section because I know you have taken the attempts 2-3 times before as well, and that was one of the section you were particularly struggling in, and you were very nervous about it, right? So what do you think? How should we, approach that section? What tasks should we focus on in order to get 79 plus in listening? Please share with the viewers.
I think the most important task in listening is repeat sentences, that is from the speaking section, and the other thing is a write from dictation. So most of the people has one thing in mind, like we have to focus 100% on repeat sentences and 100% on write from dictations. But the main thing, I think most of the people, they don't care about the MCQs or single answer questions or the paragraphs ones, and those simple questions, like they thought it contribute just 1-2 marks. But like in my case, last time my listening was 77. So I just missed by just 2 marks, and maybe those marks from multiple choice or single answers.
That's right. So it's very important to focus on each and every question. What we normally see students, what they do is they just don't even focus or care about MCQ, single or multiple answers, and they just keep on practicing repeat sentences and write from dictation. Yes, they are very important, but it's not like you should neglect questions which are not very important, because obviously they contribute something out of 90, and that 2 or 3 or 4 points can make difference when you are almost there, almost near 79 plus, as you were in your previous attempt. And let's move on to writing. Writing was also one of the sections, especially your written discourse and spellings. You were literally concerned about them, and now I can see 90 written discourse and spellings 85 as well. What did you do in particular for writing?
For writing, the template you gave me, I just followed 100%. Like before it was 47 and 55 the written discourse, but this time it was 90. So I like personally recommend everyone to just follow the templates. And apart from that, just follow the templates and just put your concentration on writing. Whatever you're doing it, just make sure your spellings are correct.
Yes, spellings are very important. And what about the listening and writing connection? How important is that?
Yeah, I think it is very important that the some of the things that contribute in listening and writing, you have to focus 100% on everything. I know it's a 3 hours, like it's an exam, you have to focus for 3 hours, but the thing is you have to put like that every single second counts. So you have to be concentrate, and you have to be just focus on each and every single task.
That's right. You have to put in 100% in each and every task, and that is how you'll get over the line. Especially if you're aiming for 79 plus, you shouldn't leave any, margin of error. Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard, because there is always some type of, human error, and you should be prepared for it. And you have to give your best in each and every task. Finally, we'll move on to your reading. 85, very great score. One of the section, people even struggle to get 7 in that. How did you manage to get 85, and you were continuously getting more than 79 in reading, which is a very good achievement. Please share with the viewers that how you managed to get 79 plus in each and every time in reading.
I think you have to just practice daily for reading. Doesn't matter if it's like, we can't ignore those multiple choice and the single answer question, because they are very important as well. But the main thing is we have to like continuous practice about the reading, filling the blanks. Those are the important ones. And sometimes we got the exam questions like from the material you provide me. So yeah, most of the time, but I can't say like you have to 100%, just you have to practice daily. And I think, and by doing that, you have a particular, like you can say you have a command on those sections. So in that way, you can.
That's right. So you get an idea that what is the difficulty level you'll probably get in the exam. And once you have practiced similar questions beforehand, which you practice on the portal, they will give you confidence, and you will be able to nail your reading section as well. Any final suggestion for people who are kind of frustrated, giving attempts again and again, and every time they are missing by 1 or 2 points? I remember you were also frustrated at some point of time, but you didn't give up, and you are here today. Very good thing. Please share with the viewers that what is your final piece of advice?
I think the final piece of advice that I could give someone is that you have to just practice and practice. There's no other option. We have to do it at any cost. You just focus on the things. Don't frustrate it. Just I think never give up. just believe in yourself, and one day you will achieve it for sure.
That's right. You have to believe in yourself. You know, you need to motivate each and every time you are not able to get your score. You will 110% get it. Make sure you keep on practicing. Give your 120%. Leave no room for mistakes, and you will be over the line. A lot of power and positivity to everyone out there. Thanks, guys. That will be it from this video. Congratulations once again, and we will be back with another success story. Thanks, guys.